unbelievable. The journey carries on.
You don't understand how big the flames are. There's fuel on my face, you know.
They gained someone.
Whoa, someone just shot a firework at us.
Jeez, it's all the smoke. Someone crashed. Basically, this is the first proper drive on the road. We're still trying to get 500 miles for the clutch to drive in. It's gonna be a nice casual drive and just my thoughts on the clutch, to be honest. So let's do this. Look at that, effortless. Third gear, boom. No crunches, fourth gear. Easy, old clutch. The oldest Geigen clutch. It was drudgery. It was hard to get the biting point. Even after driving for 3 to 4 years, I'll still lose the biting point. I'd stall the car. Anybody that drove the Skyline would stall. With the new clutch, it's so controllable. It's so smooth, it's drivable, it's easy. It used to be like a nightmare to drive the car. It was hard to drive it anywhere. And I'll be honest, I didn't really like that part of the Skyline, but now it just erased all those issues. This clutch is amazing. And I feel like, because of how smooth and quick the gear changes are on the clutch, I feel like on a drag strip we might get a quicker time. Maybe the launch might be a lot quicker, less judder, and no crunches. Look at that, third gear. No, it's just smooth. Fourth gear, boom. I'm absolutely chilling right now. This clutch is rated up to 1,400 Newton meters, handle over 1,000 brake horsepower. Pro drifters running 1,000 brake horsepower cars use this same clutch, and I thought, let's get it in this Skyline. Again, big shout out to Ultra Extreme for helping me out with getting this clutch. So far so good. Let's jump on the motor. First gear, second, boom. Fourth, it's just so nice. Boom. Fifth gear, nice. No crunches. I thought it was my gearbox, but the clutch fixed the problems. Look at it, unbelievable. Thank you everybody, and thank you to the Almighty, and thank you to the mechanic and everybody that was involved with this Skyline from start to end. The journey carries on. We will progress. Let's go in the fast lane. Let's speed up a bit. I love it. 10 out of 10. I was thinking about getting sequential gearbox, but this is very smooth. We're going to get Shell V-Pack petrol for the Skyline first, and then head on to me up in Leicester. We've only done 42 miles since the change. Like I said, when it gets 500 miles, then we can give it a bit of full boost. Oh yeah. A bit long. Skyline v Skyline. It's literally what it's like owning a good car. The money just runs away. Yes, you're right.
Yeah, man.
You guys got here quick.
So glad you came.
Yes, bro, man. Made it. It felt like I've just lost my clutch just then. I didn't believe it.
Oh yeah.
It should be alright.
It should be. It's not going to get any worse.
Alright.
Yeah, you're right, bro.
You don't know who I am, do you?
Say again?
You don't know who I am, do you?
The V8?
Yeah.
Bro. Bro, that is mad, you know. A flame match, because that's the only thing I could do. I can't race the car because of the clutch.
What is it, Bimon?
Again? Was it loud? Huh?
You don't understand how big the flames are.
Oh,
I think there's fuel on my face, you know. Honestly.
I can't even get out the car, man.
Oh, mashallah.
Yo, Mudge.
Yeah?
Come here a sec. I don't know what's in the number. Is that?
Yeah, drag strip.
Oh, is it? Oh,
When
okay.
the car drops, the wheels will
squats.
It'll go straight.
Right,
So it's
okay.
out, and it squats will go straight.
Oh,
Come
right,
back
okay.
in.
I got scared for a second. I was wrong.
I think the clutch needs bleeding, you know.
It does a little bit.
Can you see? You don't go to reverse and first and reverse, and it needs to be bleeding.
It's weird because once it goes into gear,
Yeah.
it's hard to keep pressing. I don't know if you feel that. You know how we got it in gear?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to go back in gear. It feels a bit like heavy on the top end. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that.
Yeah. Oh, mashallah, brother, mashallah. That's mad. Mad.
Yo, mad, mate.
I'd keep it the way it is, man.
Just put 2 turbos on it.
Yeah.
36.
No, 4 litre. 4 litre M60B40.
Did not expect it. I'm just gonna show you, man.
No, it's not a problem.
It's like a Russian mafia car. That's what I'm gonna say.
It would be an Evo.
Look at the job that he's done. He's done that himself. Right? Yes, Adam. that guy, bro. Wow. He's already going. We ain't gonna beat him. What the hell? Wow. My car's misfiring.
Someone just shot a firework at us.
There's Adam in his Evo. Wow, that is one nice Beamer. Shame I can't launch it because they're gonna be going. It's two. Look, see, it's gone. Wow. Damn, this car scares you. Someone, they're getting someone. Whoa. Car's doing well, alhamdulillah.
You got done. You got done. You got done.
You got done.
Ooh! Wow!
Wow. Eat my dust.
Slowly and then go, yeah. You see that? My car was spinning. I don't. One sec. Wow. Bro, that sounds mad. That is fast, that is. What's it pushing? 167. Okay, smoke. What's all the smoke? Oh jeez. Hello. Jeez, what's all the smoke? Someone crashed. It's bouncing. Rapid. It's like a sick liner. That moves, and I don't think that's stuck.
This thing handles sick.
This is stuck though.
It is stuck.
276.
Yeah, 276.
Not 3. I think about 300.
It only weighs 1.2 ton.
I think that's what it
It
is.
was car wow. They did it against that R34 GTR Honda NSX. Evo left him all.
You're not stuck, don't check.
Swear down. It's just got a cutback.
You're not stuck, bro.
Cutback and filter.
Yeah.
Swear down. Swear down.
It moves though. It moves.
It took off. It handles sick.
I was spinning.
I was outdoing everyone on the roundabout.
I smell his brakes, but I can breathe it.
Oh yeah, did you race? Just then.
Yeah, bro. I'll be going non-stop. I couldn't find parking, so I just
You can breathe.
Follow him up.
Oh, shit, bro, that ain't
MashaAllah. Beautiful.
Oh yeah, the ghost alarm. See, look, stock turbo, stock hose, just a filter. It's got a blue radiator hose.
I believe Adam. After the cold.
It's just got no, it's got a cut back.
So in 50k on full foot on it.
Right guys, it's pretty loud. I don't want to wake the neighbours up. I'm going to put the silencer on the exhaust to make sure the car is pretty quiet. We can do that right now. I gotta admit, the Skyline done us really well. Praise be to the Almighty. And I really enjoyed it. This car done absolutely amazing. I just want to thank everybody again. Let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment down below. See? It's as quiet as anything. Big shout out to the OGs. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You get a chance to win Woodstick merch. And I'll see you guys in the next video.